In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool for organizing your life and work, and sometimes you need to make certain text stand out. Whether you're putting together a presentation, creating notes, or designing a document, knowing how to adjust your font size is crucial for clarity and emphasis. Let's dive in and explore how you can effectively change the font sizes using Notion's built-in options. First, let's talk about the hierarchy of headings available in Notion. Notion provides 3 distinct heading sizes, each serving a particular purpose in organizing content. This heading system not only helps in increasing font size, but also offers a clean structure for your documents. To start with the largest, we have Heading 1. This is your go-to option when you need a section or a title to truly stand out on the page. To use Heading 1, simply type a / followed by H1. Just like this, H1. Then hit Enter. Your text will instantly be transformed into a larger, more prominent heading, perfect for titles or major sections within your document. Moving down a notch, we have Heading 2. This size is slightly smaller than Heading 1, but still provides a bold and easily readable option for subheadings or important points. To access Heading 2, type a / followed by H2, H2. When you press Enter, your text will become a medium-sized heading, offering a clear visual break between different parts of your content. Lastly, we have Heading 3. This is the smallest of the available headings, but larger than the normal paragraph text, making it suitable for subsections or less prominent titles. It still catches the eye, but is more subdued than the larger headings. To use Heading 3, write H3 after the slash and hit Enter. Your text will adjust accordingly, helping you maintain a cohesive structure throughout your document. Using these heading options not only increases the font size, but also enhances readability and organization within your Notion pages. These headings are invaluable tools in making your content both appealing and accessible. Although Notion doesn't offer traditional font size adjustments, utilizing these headings is an effective way to manage text prominence and improve your document layout. As a tip, remember to consider your audience when applying these changes. The use of headings can greatly influence the readability and flow of information. For instance, too many large headings can become overwhelming, while not enough can make the document hard to navigate. By employing these simple commands, H1, H2, and H3, you can effectively control the font sizes in Notion and make your text work better for you. I hope this guide helps you navigate and present your information with clarity and style. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.